Good evening, fuckers. Today I'm going to show you how to change a turn signal flasher for a 2003 Chevy Silverado 4.6 little tornado machine over here. They say this is supposed to be easy. Fuck that. I think the easiest part was trying to find this damn part at fucking AutoZone, sorry. As you can see, I already got the dash and the under part taken off. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do is put the e-brake on. Always put your e-brake on when you're working on your vehicle, please. Don't be a dumbass. And of course, push on the brake, turn the key to on. Don't turn the truck on, dumbass. Then put the shifter all the way down, first gear. Pop the steering wheel all the way down. And that top part should just pop off. Yeah, it took me a little bit to get it off. Explain that to my wife. Anyway, and then once you got that off, you can put the truck back in gear, put it in park, and then turn the truck off, put the steering wheel all the way up, unscrew those little screws at the bottom. One should be like right here, right next to the e-brake release. Yeah, you can't see it because it's pretty late. I ain't gonna do this shit in the afternoon. I live in Texas. This is the 102 this afternoon. I ain't gonna sweat my ass off changing this shit. Anyway, there's another, there's whatever. You ain't gonna see it. Fuck it. But anyway, let's turn that fucking light on. Damn it, the hell. There we go. But anyway, there's a little screw down there. Anyway, where this part is at, fuck, I wish I had a light. It's in this area. It should be able to slide out. Right here, I guess you can see my fingers. It should be able to just wiggle it back and forth. It should pop out. This is what it looks like. A little piece of shit. Fucking took me 3 stores to find this shit. Apparently you can't find this fucker anywhere. Here's a GM part 1576. Well, who fucking gives a shit? Goes in like this. Fucking piece of shit. And there's a new one. LED compatible. Well, shit. Ain't that nice. For fucking $80. Motherfuckers. Look at this bitch popped open. Oh, look at that. That's probably the easiest part of the job is open that fucking box. Alright, there's a new one. Same piece of shit. Anyway. Alright, see if you can see this. Not my fat fucking hands in there. Can't see shit. Bam. Bam, just like that. Push that bitch in there. Spit on it. Oh yeah. Alright. But anyway, back to the problem I was having. Blinkers are going out, you know. And it's acting like the bulbs needed to be changed. But I went ahead and replaced the front and back. And motherfucker still was doing it. It's mostly the left turn signal. Now, you know, of course, Google's the best mechanic out there. And it pretty much showed me a video what was up and where to get the part. Not really where to get it, but where it was and how to take it out and all that shit. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if this works now. Fucking better. guess I gotta turn it all the way on, dumbass. Well, would you look at that shit? Ooh-wee. Since it was mainly the left side, I'm gonna go try to make sure this shit's blinking. Yep. All right. Okay, the size of those damn screws, I couldn't find that size for shit. It was the smallest on the metric ones. Size 7. I recommend to go get the ratchet ones, or just get a, you know, a little socket, size 7 socket, whatever. Sorry for my mumble. I've had a couple beers. Yeah, because this was a bitch to get those screws out of this little fucker. But plug this shit back in. Phone's about to die. But now that I know that works, evidence, bam, do the right one more time. Yeah, I'm just gonna show that off. Bam and lamb. Look at that. Don't mind that check engine light. It does that whenever the key's on. Alrighty. Turn that off. I'll put this bottom fucker back on. Give me a second. And those bastards on the damn Google said this was easy. A lot easier to put back on than take off. These fucking screws. There we go. Motherfucker. Yeah, you're fucking on. Okay, anyway. And this truck doesn't give off light for shit. Oh, you know what? My dumbass, what was I thinking? Damn, we got light. Alright, well there's the screw right there. Let's say right above the gas pedal. That was one of them. Next one's going to be right there by the emergency brake release switch. Go ahead and put that back in there. Bam. Go on in, you fucker. Alright, here comes the best part. Make sure y'all can see that. So let's show you. Yeah, make sure y'all get the ratchet wrenches for these, or get a size 7 socket. Metric, of course. I don't know what the fuck they are in standard. Fucking A. What pain in my ass. This is why I say, get the socket wrenches. I've been doing this shit already. Motherfucker. God damn it. Shiner butt. Ain't helping. Alright. This one should be a little easier. Sorry if you can hear my heavy breathing. It's still pretty hot out here. Who am I kidding? I'm fucking fat. Weather's hot. You gotta check up on your fatty friends. It's hot out here. We struggling. We are struggling. Just go until it's fucking tight enough for your liking. Hopefully I'll sell this truck before the next one goes out. Bought this truck brand new in 03. Of course, that's the year 2018. Fuck, I'm out of breath. Ah. Oh. How the hell am I surviving? Shit, put this on my head. Bam, lamb. Okay. Okay, and of course get this top part back on. Oh, just show you what pretty much go backwards of how I took it off. I should have just fucking filmed it, but you know, my dumbass. So, make sure your e-brake is on, which it is. Okay. Foot on your brake. You should always have your foot on the brake when you start your truck, your vehicle, whatever the fuck you drive. I'm gonna go ahead and put the steering wheel all the way down. Bam, lamb. Okay. Oh, left that blink. Man, that's so nice. Sorry, I haven't had that left blinker working in a while. Then you're gonna gear it all the way to first. Make sure it's all the way down. Put this big motherfucker back in there. I may have to put the phone down. Put it right there so y'all can kind of see me struggling. Woo! Oh, it's so fucking easy. So fucking easy. How the fuck is shit? This is why I am not a mechanic. Where are you at? Fuck you. It's pretty tight enough. Fuck it, I like it. Okay, hopefully you saw me struggling a little bit. Now, I'll turn those fucking hazards off. Go ahead and put it back in park. Don't forget to do that, dummy. Turn the truck off. Bam. And then it's your call to leave the e-brake on. I usually just leave it off. There we go. Because, you know, the truck starts rolling, there's something else fucked up. And fuck it if it gets wrecked, whatever. Nah, I love my baby. She's my baby. Anyway. Damn, that took me 15 minutes. Not too shabby. Turn that light off. Anyway, the reason I had to get that part, of course, it always happens. It's coming up for my inspection. Because in Texas, You need an inspection to get your damn new registration, which is bullshit, whatever. I don't give a shit. But happens to me every time. Every time an inspection comes up, which is almost every year, something happens. Either it's the lights. I think last year my headlights went out. I had to replace those. And of course this year, damn blinker relay flasher, whatever the fuck it is, went out. We gotta go get an inspection tomorrow because it's due before July. It's already the 29th of June. Pain in the ass. Anyway, y'all don't give a shit. Hopefully y'all had an easier time than I did. And I say, order that shit from Rock Auto or Parts Geek or whatever. Fucking AutoZone. Oh, always fucking terrible. That's why I always go to O'Reilly's or Advanced Auto. I would pay a little bit extra just because their service is a hell of a lot better. And if you're gonna disagree, then I really don't give a shit. So, just my opinion. I'm gonna throw that old motherfucker away. I'm gonna go have some more beers. Toodaloo.